Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my channel. I've started a series of upload on the just concluded NECO technical drawing year 2026 examination. So I've done this question 1. You can take a look at that on my channel. Then we go to question 2 now. This question 2, the question says the figure 4.2 shows 3 views of a block drawn in third angle projection. This is a third angle projection, orthographic projection arrangement. So we are told to draw the isometric view of the block. Use A as the lowest point. This is point A given to us. So what this question is saying is that we are to couple these 3 views together to form in an isometric form. You have the plan, the front view, the side elevation. So we are coupling it together, making use of this point A as the lowest point. So the first thing you are going to do here, like I usually say, when you are drawing, converting orthographic to isometric, you need to draw your isometric axis first. So I will be producing that now, the isometric axis. Okay, so you draw this line, then on that line you pick a point which is going to be serving as the lowest point. Okay, so I'll pick a point. Okay, if I say this point here, so I'm going to produce from that point, I'll produce a vertical this way, then with the 30-degree side of my set square. So the receding line should be at angle 30-degree. Okay, and both receding line will be 120-degree apart. So from here now, I'm using this side of the set square. Make sure it's in line with the baseline there. So I'll produce this, then turn the set square this way to draw the other receding line. So just make sure it is straight. Then you have this way. So this point here now is 30, then the receding lines are 120-degree apart. So back to the question now. So the question, okay, this point will be my point A. So that is our A, which is the lowest point. So it means that this figure, this front view, is at this side, while this left side is at this side, then the plan is on it. Okay, now I'm going to be drawing this feature first, this rectangle. Okay, now there is a little error in the question. We are not given this height. It ought to be given. We are not given this height. So if we take a look at this now, this look more or less like a square. So I'm going to be using 40 for this side. You are not going to be penalized since you are not given. So the examiner knows what to do. Okay, so I will use 40 here. Okay, since this looks like a square. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take 40 this way, because this 40 must be equal to this. So this is 40, and the total length here should be 85. 40, 15, 30, 85. So this is my 85. Now by the principle of isometric, a vertical line should go up from that point there. So I'll set my set square this way. I'll produce this line up, then I'll take 40 so I can link them together. Then we'll just connect this together. All right, so this now is what we have here. Then this, I will come back to this later. I will explain what that means. So this side also will be 40. Then also I will have a vertical line drawn. I will draw a vertical line upward this way. All right, then I will take 40 as well. then connect them together this way. Okay, so now this side, left side, is what we have here. Okay, I would tell us about this also later. Then I will draw the top. Okay, more or less drawing like something like a rectangular box in an isometric form. So what I will do here, just place my set square this way. I'm going to be transferring what I have here to this part here. Then you have it this way. Then I will do this other side as well. Okay. All right, so we have okay, we have this top now. Okay, now I'm going to be putting in other features now. All right, so let's come to this left side first. So we have this side as 10. How do I know? You can see this point here. Okay, when you draw this, you should meet this, all of this line, this, then this. Okay, and then an angle goes up like this. Okay, now this one is 10, here is 20, so I'll put in the 10 now. So this is 10, this is 10. So what will I do? I will produce a vertical line upward this way. This way. Okay, all right, so the next thing I'm going to be doing now, okay, this line touching this part now, okay, a line will also recede this way, okay, which is going to be forming the top here. Okay, so what I will do here, set my set square this way, okay, with my ruler. Okay, then adjust it to this part here, then produce this line, then keep moving to the other part this way. Okay, so we have, which is going to be forming this top, this side here. Okay, all right, so the next thing I'm going to do here is this. Now if you look at this top here, for this top we have from here to this part here, it's going to be 40. It's in line with this broken line here. I hope you can see that. So here is going to be 40 and the length given to us here is 40. So I will just take 40, so this is 40. Okay, you can also quickly take 40 here and connect them together. So I'll just connect them together. All right, this way, like this. So I'm going to have this side now, this side like this now. Then this other side here, this side here, from this 40, I'm going to be having 15, which will stop here. Okay, so you just do it gradually like that so that you will not make mistakes. So from here, I will take 15. Which is 1.5. You see, this 1.5. Then come to this other side here, 1.5. So I'm going to connect them together as well. Just connect them together that way. So at this point now, let me take out the features that are clear enough now. The features that are clear enough now. So from this front, I'm going to be having, side, I will have this. I have this. this way, this way, this way, this way. Okay, you may be wondering why I do not take out everything. No, this middle side is going to be inside. You are going to see it now. So I will take this out, take this out, then this side. Okay, then this inside, take a look at it. Okay, you see the way it is there. So you have this way, then we have this side, the 15. So I will stick out this side to that 15, this way, to the 15. So we have it this way. Okay, then we are going to have this side with the 10 coming inside. This way, then you connect this side, okay, with this part this way, then I'll take out this way, this side. Okay, so I'm going to be completing the features now by the principle of isometric. From this part now, a line should go down. From here, a vertical line should go down. From here, a vertical line should go down. Okay, I won't draw this because it's at the back, so it cannot be seen. So but here we can see it now. When you look from the top, this side I will see it, then this side we will see. So let me quickly put that now. So come this way, make sure your set square is in line with the line there. So I'll produce this one down this way, then come to this side, produce this down, then I set this side as well, we'll produce this down this way. Okay, then a line will go inside from here at 30 degrees. So put your set square this way, we'll produce this. So I will highlight the future I will see from here. I will just highlight to this part here, this way, then this to this part here, like this. Okay, I hope you get that now. All right, so this now I'm not going to highlight everything. Now let me show us something now. Now if you look at the top view is almost complete. We have this now, which is all of these are this way, then this side now. Okay, there is an extra feature here, this part, okay, this other part. Okay, and if you look at the side, there is a feature here. Okay, what I'm going to do, they gave us this side as 10, as you can see now. So I'm going to take 10 here. I'm going to take, because here is 10. Okay, so I'm going to take 10. So this is 10. Okay, this is 10. Now by principle of isometric, it should go this way. I'm using this line, so I'll just move it to it. Okay, so I have this way. So what I'm going to do now, I will take this side now. Okay, now you see this line is going to terminate at this point here, which is going to stop here. okay, this way. Then you are going to have this side touching this, this way. Then it will join up with the top this way. Okay, then this side I will take out this line. Okay, this way. Then I can produce this down, okay, which is going to complete the front view this way. So you see that now. So when you are viewing from the front, you have the whole of this side now, which is this extra part here from this front is this. But when you view this side, you are going to be seeing this side will shoot out, which is going to be this. Okay, when you go to the top as well, when you view the whole of this top, you are seeing the whole of this. Then this part here, then this extra part, when you view from the top, you are going to see it. Okay, then this front now, this left side rather, you are going to see this, which is this and this. Then this extra part, this inside part is this, because it will shoot out when you are viewing from the top, from the left side this way. You are going to see this. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to dimension. Do not forget to dimension, is very necessary. So I will dimension now. So here is what we have after we have dimension. So just try as much as possible to avoid double dimensioning. Okay, try as much as possible to avoid that. Now let me explain the broken line. This broken line that we have here, it indicates that there is a hole. When you are viewing from this front view, there is a hole inside. Okay, you have one here, so this is what we have here, and at the other side here, which is at this side here. So that is what this hole is for, which is 15. Don't forget we use 15 from here to here. At this other side 15, then here also. Now this one here indicate that when you are viewing from this left side, it is cut inside, which cannot be seen. That's why you have this broken line there. You are not to indicate it here. You are not to indicate it. It is when you are drawing in orthographic projection, that is when you make use of all those broken line to indicate hidden details. So this is what we have, and I want to believe that you are able to get it. Thank you very much for staying tuned. I will be going to question 3 in my next video. Please stay tuned and watch out for that. Thank you for staying tuned. God bless you. See you in my next video.